En masse. En masse. Okay, this is an adverb, and this comes directly from French. This means that a group of people do everything together at the same time. So the workers left the company en masse, all together, all at the same time. In the summer, in August, people go to the beach en masse. Yeah, a huge number do it all at the same time. So, en masse, this is an adverb, collectively, jointly, all at the same time. Not one and then another, but a great big group of them. Yeah, they do it all together. Yeah, conjointly, if you like. Okay, so in one group, in one body, all together. The demonstrators marched en masse to 10 Downing Street as a group, all together. One of the problems with being a chef in a restaurant is when it's time for lunch or when it's time for dinner, everybody arrives en masse. Yeah, so everybody at the same time. It's not one and one, it's suddenly 20. And that's the problem. So as a group, in a block, all together as one, yeah, in a group. So the audience left the theatre en masse, all at the same time, yeah. Okay, so yeah, en masse, all together, all at once. Yeah, they arrived en masse, all at the same time. Yeah, all in one great big lump, as a whole. When the fire alarm went off, everybody rushed en masse to the door. So as one big group, yeah, everybody looked at him en masse. They all looked at him at the same time. Let's see if let's try to do this task en masse, all together doing it. If you need to repeat the say the one thing, then if you, as a group, if you all do it together, it's probably much faster. Yeah. Okay, so an en masse planting of trees. They planted lots and lots of trees all at the same time. Everybody turned up en masse. Companies like this are going bankrupt en masse, all at the same time. So there were a group of friends sitting outside the pub, and then they moved en masse to the next pub. They all together, all at the same time. Okay, and this is the idea of en masse. Let's see. As to formality, en masse, I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. It comes from French, so maybe it sounds a little bit posh, a little bit literary, but that's why I'm giving it 5.5 instead of 5. But I think you can use it anywhere. Yeah, it's just saying that all in one group, all together, all at the same time. And then, yes, as to origin, okay, en, in, and then masse, okay, masse in French, a mass, but maybe a dough or something without distinguishing parts. So that mass comes from massa in Latin, a dough or a mass from ancient Greek, mazza, a type of bread or cake, probably from Indo-European, mehek, meaning to increase or to raise. Okay, so to do something en masse, to do it all at the same time. So do you think I should release a video every 8 hours or every 6 hours, or do you think I should release them all en masse at the same time together. So this is the opposite of individually, separately. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. I hope you all subscribe en masse, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. En masse.